So we finally made it to our room. We've got the Royal Club King with a palm view. And first of all, I love the bathroom. This tub is amazing. Then you've got his and her sinks, which I always look for. I absolutely love. And the amenities that have come are amazing too. You've got bath salts, bath back brush, gold everything, comb, toothbrushes, razor, everything. The bed's nicely done, and actually there's some detailing on the sheets that has like the little logo, like everything is matching. I absolutely love it. Oh, and here we go. Here is the view. That's palm view, and wow, it's so nice. And there's the room. I actually really like it. What do you think? And here's the view from our balcony. You can see the fountain and fire show. It is really something quite spectacular. Enjoy the rest of this video. Also, remember to check out my other video where I go through all of the amenities that come within the room.